Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I want to show you my new gratitude journal, volume 1. I plan to create more gratitude journals next year. So let's start. This is the first page. You have an index with 100 prompts. You can fill them in order or just pick the right prompt that you want to fill in. For example, how was this year better than last year? And this is where you start filling your mind. Duplicate the page if you need more content. If you want to go back to the index page, tap on the index number on the top left of the page, and then you're back to the index page. You can pick another prompt just by tapping the number, and you will be there in a second. You can also flip the pages one by one to choose your favorite prompt. And what I also suggest, once you have filled in a prompt, you may want to circle the number to know that you have information in there. If you want to journal on a particular topic more than just once, you can also do that. So for example, if you have already filled in how do your mind and body feel right now, and you want to fill this page on a particular time, on another time, what I suggest is to add the date on the top right side of the screen, duplicate the page, and next time you want to fill in your mind around that topic, add the new date right there and start taking your notes. So what I'm saying is that you can duplicate each of those pages and fill them in different dates, on different days, on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis, or as needed. I hope you enjoy this planner. This is a dear project of mine, and I hope you're going to enjoy it as much as I will. Thank you. Bye.